Hello guys, and welcome to the nature walk. We'll be walking in this forest for a little bit. It's a beautiful day out, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this walk, and I enjoy it too, man. Even if it's raining, that's the beauty. I'll do way more out minutes. But yes, you guys. God himself made this day look good today. Look at this. There's people that leave junk here in this forest. It's not great. But if you guys want me to explore more of the forest here, I will gladly do so. Sure. But for me, I'm gonna have to wear pants for this. In that case, because in this forest there's thorns and probably poison ivy and stuff. So just to give you guys a heads up on that. And also, as I told you last video, if you saw, there's termites in this forest that are eating these trees. That's why you see most of these trees out right now. But hey, it's okay. But yeah, this is gonna only be like a short video of me walking in because so far this is a great day. I might also take a little bit of another video besides the forest at the park. I think at one point I even saw them moving their eggs. Look at that. Look at this forest, man. Okay, now let's go for the exit here. Listen to all those birds sing. And also, it was raining a couple minutes ago. I didn't get that on camera, but if it rains again while I'm heading back and it's not that bad, I'll record it. And this is where we get going. I have a better place than this, but it's far away from my house. It's like not near my neighborhood, so I would have to walk far for that and keep my phone at like 100%. Also, it's gonna be hard for me to get there as well because like one of the like lanes are closed off. I'm trying to like get money out of that lane as well, but like it's closed because they're working on it with their like machines and stuff. They're fixing the road, the highway or whatever. I walk across that, yeah. And here we are, back to wherever we are. And this is the forest. Hope you guys loved it, and maybe I'll add a little clip to the last part of this video. Alright? Okay, guys. It's been fun. But I gotta get going back home because I feel like it's gonna rain real badly soon. I see a dark cloud coming. So, yeah. But yeah, I'll record the clips if they look more better. Anyways. See ya. For now, at least. Oh yeah, and also, someone's birthday is today. It's Peanut's birthday. From my friend, from the person I met in Rec Room. Happy birthday, Peanut. I wish you a good day. Really, I do. Anyways. See ya. Flowers. Also, the video for you, Peanut, is coming on your way. It might take maybe a day. But yeah, don't worry. It's coming. It's coming. It could either come today or tomorrow. Promise. Look at this forest over here. It's amazing. It's cool. Okay, guys. I think the sun's coming out, you guys. Yeah, let me just show you up to the sky. Let me just get a glimpse real quick. Hang on. Okay. I'm gonna show you the sky in a minute. Okay, guys, here's the sky. Oh yeah, it's gonna be about like 10-minute mark on like the sky at one point. If you guys ever feel interested in looking up in the sky, which is you guys should. You guys should. If you guys really love the sky. Look at it. Look at its beauty. The sun might come out. We're just gonna look at the sky now. It's not, we're done at the forest. It's sky time. The graveyard. Rest in peace to all the people who survived, I guess, to make it to the 80s or whatever. Just look at that. Oh yeah, I'm not also recording the building, so it doesn't matter. In the forest, I forgot to tell you guys, in the forest, I found a squirrel and a bee. I didn't get to record those because I wasn't thinking of recording it until I hit like the center of the forest. So, my bad on that part, but you know, I just was very happy that I was playing, like, I was very happy. So I'm gonna say to you, that was like too much. And if there's a rainbow later on today, because they said that it's gonna rain the whole entire day today, not tomorrow, but today, then I'll actually be intrigued to see the rainbow. I'm also gonna be might as well say this to you guys. Oh, is it gonna rain? I felt something. I might as well say this to you. I might do school stuff, like, let me think of it. What is this again? I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing the playground parts. So like, I'm gonna be playing on the playground for a minute, so you guys get to see with a view. And I won't be talking in the background. I'll be very silent, including this. They made this recently for us. So, yeah. I'll be playing on the swings. You won't see that, but you see me going up and down, or whatever. Looks like there was police tape here at one point. But yeah, I'm going to be going on this. Not today because it's raining and stuff, and I don't want to get my clothes wet from going down the slide. This slide I love. This is like the scary part right here for me, because my legs get caught sometimes. This slide is weird. This slide is more weird. The buddy bench, I might sit there just to have like a few minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna be going on here, over here to over there. What does it say? Warning, 5 to 12 years. Adult supervision recommended. Okay. Well, there you guys have it. And also there's a soccer, so I can't play soccer, but I could run, but that wouldn't be fun because you just see my camera going like this and hearing the wind. Ah, well, you know. I hope you guys like this video, and yes, I'll be doing some parks if you guys want me to do some parks. This I'll climb up. That I'll be climbing. Even this little thingy-majig right there. That's swirling around. This. All this stuff. And that's basically what I'm going to be doing. But over here, I'm actually going to get them. Oh, guys, do you see that? The squirrel. You guys got to see a squirrel. Hang on, let me get close. It's eating something. You guys see that? Oh, it's raining now. Like I said, I hope you guys like this video. Happy birthday, Peanut, and others, and as well as I gotta say this. It's been fun recording. I'll see you guys in the next video and the next animation, I guess. Peace.